Hello, friends. Welcome back to English Classes Online. Today, we are diving into the top secrets of crafting an informal letter that stands out in exams like the WASSCE, West African Senior School Certificate Examination. And we are doing it in response to a comment from one of our esteemed viewers, Mohammed Trowally. I hope I got that name correctly. Mohammed Trowally. Mohammed recently commented that oral English and informal letter writing are his major challenges in WASSCE. So in today's lesson, I will teach you how to write a perfect WASSCE informal letter step by step. Grab your notebook and pen and let's dive into it right away. So we are looking at how to write a WASSCE informal letter, easy steps and sample answer. Now from the comments, as I earlier mentioned, Mohammed Trowally wrote oral English and informal letter are my problem. So Mohammed, if you are viewing, this is in direct response to your request. Now let's start with the basic question. What is an informal letter in WASSCE? Informal letter is a letter with personal connection. It is written to friends, family, or close acquaintances in a warm, familiar tone. It's a letter written in relaxed style. It uses friendly, conversational language with personal expressions and emotions. It is of exam importance. It's crucial for WASSCE English Language Paper 2 carrying 50 marks. So it's really very important. Can help you to score high in your English exam. Key features of an informal letter: your address and date. You have to position your address and date at the top right corner of the page, aligned properly. Personal salutation. Use recipient's first name with dear. For example, Dear Jane. Conversational body. It is written in friendly style with clear, well-organized paragraphs. It has a warm closing. You need to end an informal letter with friendly phrase. For example, yours truly, best wishes, and then followed by your first name only. Step 1, write your address and date. Proper formatting. Place your address at the top right corner. No name included. You can look at the way the structure of this here. You can look at it. Write the date below your address, aligned with the first letter. Use the full date format with day, month, and year. For example, 10 Benson Street, Ojo, Lagos, 6th March 2026. Step 2, salutation and introduction. The salutation begin with dear followed by the recipient's first name and a comma. Example, Dear Hannah. Opening greeting. Start with a warm personal sentence to set a friendly tone. For example, I hope you are doing well and everything is fine at school. Step 3, body of the letter. Organize your thoughts into 2 to 3 clear paragraphs with logical flow. State your purpose. That's the first thing you do. Clearly explain why you are writing early in the letter. Provide 3 reasons. Give at least 3 well-developed points related to the question. Number 3, use personal language. Include personal pronouns and friendly expressions throughout. Example reasons. Education letter. Education opens doors to better job opportunities. Dropping out limits future choices and independence. Completing school builds confidence and essential life skills. Step 4, closing and signature. Choose a friendly closing. End with a warm personal phrase that matches your relationship. For example, yours truly, best wishes, your loving brother or sister with love. Sign off properly. Follow your closing with a comma, then write your first name only on the next line. For example, yours truly, comma, Tony. Sample WASSCE question. Your younger sister, who is in her final year of junior high school, has written to tell you she wants to drop out. Write a letter to her giving at least 3 reasons why she should complete her education. Now, sample answer. As earlier mentioned, you place the address and date on the top right corner. For example, number 10 Benson Street, you have to put a comma. This was omitted here. Ojo, comma, Lagos State, full stop. 6th March, 2026, full stop. So that's exactly how you handle the date. Then the salutation, Dear Hannah, followed by a comma. I was surprised and worried when I received your letter telling me about your decision to drop out of school. I understand that school can sometimes be stressful, especially in your final year, but leaving school now is not the best decision for your future. I am writing to encourage you to complete your education for some crucial reasons. First, education will give you better opportunities in life. When you finish school and continue your studies, you will have more chances of getting a good job in the future. Without proper education, it becomes much harder to find a stable and well-paying job. Secondly, education helps you develop knowledge and important skills. In school, you learn how to read, write, think critically, and solve problems. These skills will help you not only in your career, but also in your everyday life. Another important reason is that completing your education will make our family proud. Our parents have worked very hard to give us the chance to go to school. Finishing your studies will show that you appreciate their sacrifices and are determined to build a better future for yourself. Finally, since you are already in your final year of junior high school, it will be a waste to give up now after coming this far. With determination and hard work, you can complete this stage successfully and move on to higher education. Please think about what I have said. I believe in you and I know you are capable of finishing school and achieving great things. Do not let temporary difficulties stop you from reaching your goals. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Yours truly, Tony. Final tips for success. Clear language. Use simple, straightforward words and avoid slang or overly complex vocabulary. Logical organization. Structure your ideas with clear paragraphs that flow naturally from one to another. Careful proofreading. Check spelling, grammar, and punctuation carefully before submitting your letter. Regular practice. Write informal letters frequently before the exam to build confidence and skill. Remember, be friendly, encouraging, and sincere in your writing. We have gone through this process of informal letter writing for the West African Senior School Certificate Examination. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, don't forget to share the video with other students. Like the video and share it with others. And remember to subscribe to English Classes Online for more videos like this. It's also important that you activate the notification system by clicking on the bell icon below. That will ensure that whenever a new video goes live on the channel, you'll be notified instantly. I want to say a big thank you to all of you out there for being part of today's episode. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.